Hello, welcome to English Composition 2. This is a 2.5-week class, so it moves fairly quickly. You have a series of assignments to complete in the next 2.5 weeks. You can find all of your assignments listed here on your syllabus in each week, and it also tells what topics we're going to be discussing. It lists the discussion board and again, each assignment that's due for the week. You will need to respond to each discussion question, your initial post, by Wednesday of each week, and then Tuesday of the final week. It's important that you interact in class, that you ask questions and you engage in the discussion board. And then, after you complete your discussions, you have a series of assignments that's due for the week. They're fairly short assignments, so don't be alarmed that there are several here. They're short assignments. No, there's not a paper that you will write in these. You may have to write a paragraph, but not a paper. Be sure to read and view the PowerPoints in each reading assignment each week. And then complete the end of term survey and your midterm and final exam. So as I said before, since this is a short class and it only runs 2.5 weeks, it's important that you get a head start early, and get your work completed early. If you have any problems with accessing the content or not understanding the content, please do not hesitate to call me or text me, reach out to me. I'm here to assist you. I look forward to working with you. This is going to be a fun class. Again, if you have any questions, just reach out and give me a call or text or email. Thank you, and welcome to English Composition 2.